to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm back on my channel after like mad years, but I'm gonna do my first video back. I'm gonna do a little casual smoky eye for like day to day. If you want to look cute but not too crazy, that's gonna be the vibe today. So as you can see, I already have my base on. I have my foundation, concealer, my bronzer, and my eyebrows, and that is pretty much all I have, and like a little bit of powder and stuff. So it's just gonna be the eyes today because I wanted to keep it simple. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna use my Neutrogena concealer as like a primer today because just yeah, the primer that I have right now is like not great. It's low-key trash. The only thing though, I do like to set it with powder because the concealer can be tacky and it can crease and all of that. And yeah, usually you would leave your primer tacky just so that the shadows would stay put, but because this is concealing, I know the shadows are gonna get stuck and it's gonna look patchy, and like that's not cute. We don't want patchy eyeshadow, because then we just looking like we don't know what we're doing on here. Do we want that? No. We want to look good. So yeah. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my Sweet Peach palette because I love her. She's cute. I was going to get rid of her, but I said fuck it. She has talc in her, but you know, I'm sorry, I can't. I love this palette, so yeah.
Bitch, you better be joking.
I'm gonna use the color Puree. If you have this palette, then you know, even better. It's easy for you to follow along with me, but really all you need is like a mid-tone brown. And I'm gonna put this on a nice little crease brush, and I'm gonna start in my crease and just use that as like a transition shade, a cute little. On me it looks a little more orange than it looks in the pan, which is always, I guess, interesting because like sometimes you'll look at things in the palette and it looks a certain way, but then on you it looks different. Especially I find that with, you know, my people of color, my women of color out here. You know, something will look pink and then it will look brown on us. Like it'll look crazy. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And I feel like that's like the big thing about makeup as well. Like just learning what works for you. Like I learned how to do makeup off of YouTube, but if I just kept at that and like I just stayed with the same techniques that I see everybody else using, I would be looking crazy. Like I like growing and learning more about makeup, I've come to realize like what works for me, what I like, my face shape, all of that, and just my preferences as well. So I feel like, you know, you may watch me, you'd be like, oh, that's cute, you know, try it and see if it works for you. And you can always learn from that and, you know, do your own thing. So yeah, what is this? Is this Fallout? Girl, I don't know what that is. I think it's powder. Anyway, yep, so I'm just building this color up right here, Puree, and I'm using a nice like mid-size crease brush and just really focusing that on my crease, trying to get a little bit above the crease as well, because I find for me like I have to put things a little bit above my crease just because when I open my eyes you kind of lose my crease, like you can't really see it anymore. So I always have to put things above, and I just like that look better as well. So just make sure that you get that nice and blended out. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Summer Yum. Now, Puree is like a mid-tone, more like sandy brown, whereas Summer Yum is like a little more peachy toned. So I'm gonna go in with that right underneath Puree, just to give it a little more like depth, like a little color, because you know, I feel like a lot of times back in the day we used to just do straight brown for our looks, and I don't know, I like adding a little like color, a little peachy tone, because it's cute or whatever. I think it's cute. The next I'm gonna do is Charmed, I'm Sure, the color Charmed, I'm Sure, and that's like a more muddy, like deeper brown shade. I'm gonna put that right in my outer corner, really trying to target it. So I'm using a shader brush because I don't want it to get like all over the place, and I just want a little bit of depth in that outer corner right there. So yeah, I'm gonna really focus that. The last thing I'm gonna do, because I think I want this to be a matte look, I'm gonna go in with the color Peaches and Cream, which is like a creamy nude tone color. And I'm gonna try and put that on the lid, but not too crazy. I'm gonna put it on there and then I'm gonna blow it out with the blending brush because I don't want it to look crazy. Like just a little bit of that, and just like blend it into both the outer corner and the crease. But yeah, the point here is just to make sure that you have that like highlight, but that it's not crazy. Usually with these like lighter tone matte shades, they can sometimes like give dusty on us. It can be giving chalk, and by us I mean people of color. So yeah, but I think this palette it does a good job with not doing that. A lot of these shades are deep enough, and I look at it and I'm like, okay, you know, that shows up on my skin, and it doesn't look too far off from how it looks in the pan. So that's nice. That's always nice, you know. That's what you want to look for in your palettes as a person of color. The last thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of Tempting, which is like a really dark shimmery, is it shimmery? It got a little bit of glitter in it or something, I don't know, but it got something in there. Something is in there, but I'm gonna put a little bit of that because it's like a really like the deepest color in the palette, or one of the deepest colors. It's like a shimmery black, and I'm just gonna put that the outer like quarter of my outer my lower lash line. What am I talking about? My lower lash line, to give some like depth and smoke. And then what I'm gonna do is go in and make a wing, just like that. Like, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty easy. It's easier to do than to do like liquid liner, but yeah, you know, you just take a nice like pretty flat shader brush and you're gonna go in and just flick it. You kind of use your lower lash line as a guide and you flick. And yeah, I like doing that because it's a lot softer than like a stark, oh girl, I'm shaking, than a stark line on your like with the liquid liner. I'm gonna blend out that shade on the bottom just to make it a little softer, because I don't want such a stark difference, and I don't want it to be giving like she didn't sleep. Now the last thing to do is just to do the lashes. If you want, if you're that type of girl, you can put your lashes on. Me, I don't feel like doing all of that today because, girl, I'm not the best at putting on eyelashes. I'm still learning, so like, don't come for me. I'm putting on just regular mascara. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I have the mascara on and the look is all done, and then we can talk about it. You know, we can talk about it. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I have my mascara on. I curl my lashes or whatever. I think it's looking cute. And I put on some setting spray. I put on the Anastasia Dewy setting spray. I love this. This is like so good. And it's like MAC Fix Plus, but like dewy, I guess. I don't know. It's cute or whatever. So, and it really sets the makeup. Like, my makeup stays pretty much all day with that. So yeah, this is the look. The last thing I'm gonna do is the lips, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do on the lips. Like, do I do gloss? Because if you know me, you know I love gloss. Like, I have matte lipstick but I love lip gloss. Like, I most of the time use lip gloss, but I don't know, maybe I need to try something different today. Like I always do. I always do lip gloss. Let's try something. What about this buxom? That's cute. That's giving. Is he giving for this time? It's too pink. Right, so I put my little lip primer on. Now, we're just gonna go with lip gloss because I like it. Plus, it gives natural, neutral vibes. So, yeah. I'm going in with this Bare Minerals lip gloss in the color Inspiration. And I love these lip glosses, man. They're like minty, and if you're like me and you like those plumping lip glosses, I mean, I don't need it. I'm black. Look at my lips. I don't need the plumping, but I just love the feeling of that mintiness, like the kind of, not the ones that are like very extreme and they actually hurt, but like these that are like nice and subtle, minty type of thing. I love it because it's so tingly and it smells good. It's just nice. These are nice lip glosses, man. So, and they sell them at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff too. So get you some, bro. Get you some. Oh, I didn't even discuss my hair. I cut my hair. I'm basically bald headed now, so you know, it's a vibe. It's cute or whatever. It's giving little boy does makeup, but you know, I kind of like it. I think it's cute. Anyway, so yeah, the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm happy to be back on YouTube. I really do enjoy it. And yeah, you know, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff if you enjoyed, and I will be back with another video at some point. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna be back with another video. So yeah, see you guys then. Have a great day.